Some of you are going to know the answers to someone else's questions about what to do. So let's do a quick check. How many of you will be taking the test today? The night mastery test, raise your hand. And that's people who have not taken it. Good, I'm glad I checked. So, people who have not taken it, you've already started. I am. Told you I would be. If you have achieved mastery and will be working on the short story activity, raise your hand. Good, only 3 of you raised your hand. That is correct. Well done. That's why you guys are masters already. Well done. Go ahead and get started. If you're confused, ask each other first, because that's probably going to be the best way, because I might be busy with someone else. If you took it and did not pass, raise your hand if you will be completing the night mastery test revision and review. That should be everyone else. Everyone else who hadn't raised their hand previous should have their hand up right now, other than you, because you're finishing the test. Good. So you know what to do. If you're confused, post a question, and I will get to it ASAP. Any quick questions about the big picture? If you need a charger, there are several throughout the room, or you can move yourself closer to a charging cart.
No.
I do not want to see you on the resilience site because you have work to do. Remember, you have to take this test and pass it to pass this class. You hear that? This is part of your final. It's not all of it. So if you do not pass, you got to take it again. That means if you fail to use your class time well today, you're just going to fail yourself.
So what if you don't pass it?
Then you'll keep taking it. And if you still don't pass it, then I guess you won't pass.
You won't pass it?
No, you'll fail. Yeah.
Why?
Because I expect you to master the concepts. So, do you have to pass this test to pass the class? Yes. What happens if you waste your time today? Yeah. Yeah. Don't waste your review time. Sparknotes.com. Google Sparknotes Night. But start the review activity first. It's because I believe so much in your ability. That's why I'm making you master it.
I don't understand. Can you not? I'm shy.
You're fine.
Camera shy.
So what does it say?
I don't understand.
Read me the directions.
Here is a breakdown of the questions. Erase any question number that you got right. That will leave you with a clear idea of what you need to review. I don't remember.
I know. That's why you're supposed to keep Edmodo open. So open a new tab and go back to Edmodo. It's just edmodo.com. You can type that in too. Do you care about passing?
Yeah.
This is about passing.
A little bit.
What did I say you should not be doing, Jose? Yeah, on resiliency. You need to be off that group and on your test revision. Oh, great. That's better. Okay, so go down to Night Mastery Test. Keep going. Where it says Quiz Results.
Oh, I see.
Now you actually are really, really close. You need 21 to pass. So you are only a few away.
Then why didn't you just pass me?
Because you didn't pass.
I'm a good boy.
Because you didn't pass. View results. So now, any question that's lit up in green, you erase that question number from the review activity.
Okay.
And then you're going to find out which chapters you have to review. Sparknotes.com.
Let's see where the test is.
But you opened the review activity first, right?
It should say view results.
That's going to be, so go to Edmodo still. And then open where go down to where it says,
Did you find it?
keep going, it's the review activity. Uh-huh. Right there. So open that file.
Open with?
Yep.
Which one?
That's fine. It's the review activity, so open that. And then what you're going to have to do is go through your quiz results and see which ones you missed. Because if you spend your time reviewing chapter 4 and you didn't miss stuff from chapter 4, that's not going to be a good use of your time. Does that make sense?
Yeah. But I wasn't here for like everything. I wasn't here for that chapter.
Yes, so don't get an
I
attitude. You're on
wasn't even here for
video. Don't get an attitude. You're on video.
So it's not an attitude. She's fine. Go back to Edmodo. I will be there in just a second. Okay, so go down. Keep going. Keep going all the past all these resiliency stuff. You want the night mastery test. There it is. Quiz results. 4 not graded.
results.
Yeah. Okay. So what it looks like is that's probably going to be chapter 1, chapter 3, 4, and then probably.
Whoa.
So you probably don't need chapter 2, and you probably don't need chapter 5. But at SparkNotes, if you go through, start chapter 1, and then do chapter 1, chapter 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you need to go to night. If you search in SparkNotes, search night, and then make sure it's the Ellie Wiesel version. Keep going. There you go. Now I'm. Yep. So now I'm counting on you to help him figure out the same thing. Maybe you and Amy can switch places so you guys can work together, because that's a good review for both of you. Okay, gentlemen.
I went off of the internet.
So what are you working on, Umberto? Excellent. Okay, so that the signals come back on. We just have to wait for a second and make sure this logs back in. So give it about a minute. Cool. And then you want SparkNotes. So start reading the chapter summaries, and then you need to be able to put them all into your own words. Mm-hmm. Jose, why do you have a hat on?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Quite a mystery.
I thought you weren't going to finish the test. I thought you were going to do the review. Because that looks like you've restarted the test. Remember when we talked about doing the review?
Well, can I just do it now that I'm on it?
Well, no, that wouldn't make much sense because you've taken it one time and didn't pass. So the review is meant to help you. So you and Umberto and Manuel are all doing the exact same assignment. Actually, these guys are too. So you guys could band together in one like group of power to really review together. There you go. So you need to go down to your quiz score. You're going to need to have the quiz score open too. So actually, go ahead and open the other file first. Do you have it open yet? No. Go back up a little bit. And click on that file right there. And that's what you guys are going to be working on. To complete it, you have to go to your quiz results. So you can go back to Edmodo and then click on where it says quiz results. Now, obviously, questions that you got right, view results. The ones that are in green are the ones you don't need to review. So what you probably want to do is go to, in this tab, go to SparkNotes. No, it's okay. Right there. And click right in here, write SparkNotes, it's one word, and then night.
Is it the same?
So that's the review activity, but because you got a lot of them wrong, I think it'd be a better idea to start at Spark Notes. And then you're going to do the same thing. Open that document. Yep. Click on the link there. Yep. Now yours looks like it's going to open it in the same tab, which kind of sucks. No, good. Open. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. So let me quickly do this for you because it's a little confusing. So what we're doing is we're going to move this over to the next tab so we can have them both open at the same time. Because yours is perfect, but your computer just didn't open it right. $120, $220. There, those results. That's what I want. So go back to the other tab. Just the Google Images tab. Spark Notes. SPARKNOTES. You are on camera, you're right. Why do you think I'm doing that? Okay. So you are going to go through and you're going to erase all the ones that come up in green. So like number 8, number 10, those are green. So I'm going to open this document here. This is ridiculous. Your computer's going crazy.
I know.
There we go. So 8 and 10, that looks like you're not going to have to review chapter 3 because you got enough right. Yep, that's the one right here. So then for any chapters where you have a lot of numbers left, you go down to sections. They're called sections, not chapters there. And that's how you do it. You read those summaries and then you put them in your own words on the document. It looks like this is kind of not happening very well for you guys.
I'm trying to find my results.
The night mastery quiz, right there, where it says night mastery quiz. They look like they're red. What do you want to do about that? I have some eye drops. Do you want some eye drops? Okay. So there, all the green ones are the ones that are right. Those are the numbers you delete on the document that Jose's got open, but it doesn't look like you have open. So have you guys read the instructions and you know what to do?
Kind of. Yes.
I heard something from Miss Sorensen about you being pretty irritating, both of you, when I wasn't here. Really? Really?
What did she move?
She did say she moved Leon, but it takes 2 to talk.
No, I was listening.
I don't want to tell you this on camera.
So you guys know you have to pass the test, right?
Yeah.
What's going to help you pass the test best?
Reviewing.
Yes. So what should you be doing?
Reviewing.
You're smart. Good job.